Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Welcome back in our online GK class. I hope you have learnt the previous chapter 12. Today we will study chapter 13. As I told you in my previous video, the next chapter will be more interesting. So let's start our next chapter. Please take out your GK book and open page number 18. Page number 18, chapter 13, famous landmarks around the world. You can see there are 12 pictures, 6 pictures on page number 18 and 6 pictures on page number 19. Today we will study page number 18. Okay, please take out your GK book. Now I am going to show you the book closely. Before showing the book, we will study the names of the famous landmarks that is given in your book. I have written on the board. Okay. First one is the Egyptian pyramids, Egypt. Egyptian pyramids are located in Egypt. Second, MOAI, Moai on Easter Island, Chile. Moai on Easter Island, Chile. Third, the Moscow Kremlin, Russia. Fourth, the Grand Canyon, USA. Fifth, Sydney Opera House, Australia. Sixth, Big Ben, London. Children, now please open your book. Now I am going to show you the book closely and we will study about all these landmarks. Okay? And here I will give you some additional information about these landmarks. Okay? Children, this is your chapter 13, famous landmarks around the world. You can see 6 pictures are there on page number 18 and 6 pictures are there on page number 19. Right? So today we will study page number 18. Famous landmarks around the world. The first landmark is the Egyptian pyramids, Egypt. Okay? You can see these are the pyramids. You can see the shapes are like pyramids. Okay? These are located in Egypt. What is this? Let's talk about this. What is pyramid? These are ancient pyramid-shaped masonry structures located in Egypt. What is the mean of masonry? Masonry means pakki imarat. You can see pakki imarat, right? There are almost 118 or 138 identified pyramids. Most are built as tomb. Children, these are also called tombs. Pyramids are actually tombs. T-O-M-B. These are the tombs of ancient kings who ruled in Egypt. Okay. Second, Moai on Easter Island, Chile. M-O-A-I, Moai on Easter Island, Chile. You can see the picture of statues, right? There are many statues that you can see in these pictures. These statues are called Moai, M-O-A-I, Moai. Approx 900 statues. Approx 900 statues are there, and these statues are known as Moai. These are the main attraction of Easter Island. Easter Island is known for, I can say, known only for Moai. Nobody knows from where these statues came, because these statues are too hard. Nobody can damage these statues with the help of hammer or anything else. These statues are approx 30 to 40 feet long. Third, the Moscow Kremlin, Russia. You can see the picture. The Moscow Kremlin is a fortified complex in the center of Moscow. It is the symbol of Russian and Soviet power and the authority. Now it is served as the official residence of the President of the Russian Federation and also as a museum. Okay, it is a fortified complex. You can see it is a fortified complex in the center of Moscow. Moscow city के बीच में ये एक बहुत बड़ा complex है. And now it is served as the residence of the President of Russian Federation and also as a museum. Okay. Next, the Grand Canyon, USA. The Grand Canyon in Arizona is a natural formation distinguished by layered bands of red rocks. You can see red rocks in this picture. Most of the area is a national park having many unique species. Okay, most of this canyon area is now national park with many unique species. You can see the band of red rocks also in this picture. The color of the rocks is red. Fifth one is Sydney Opera House, Australia. Sydney Opera House is one of the most famous landmarks of Australia. It was built on a large slab of granite. The large points covered in white tiles. You can see large point. These are covered in white tiles. Are referred to as shells and have become a symbol of Australia. Sydney Opera House is a famous landmark and it is a symbol of Australia. Okay. Next, Big Ben, London. Do you know what is Big Ben? Big Ben is the name of giant bell inside the huge clock tower in London. You can see the clock tower and there is a bell. As you can see, there is a huge clock tower and there is a giant bell inside it, which is called Big Ben. Okay, and it is situated in London. So children, we have completed page number 18 in famous landmarks. In my next video, we will study page number 19. Till then, you have to learn the names of the famous landmarks and the place where they are located. You have to learn with the spelling. Please learn and revise it at home. Okay? I will come back with the new video with the next part. Okay? Bye.